Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timi TV and I'm your host, Miss Rachel Amamotimi Elijah. If you are stopping by our channel for the very first time, you're welcome to our skincare family. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell whenever you get updates each time I upload a new video. You'll be the first to know. Alright, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to exfoliate using your body scrub, how to properly exfoliate your face and your body. Please watch this video to the end. Alright, the first thing you have to do is wet your face. You can see my face is wet already. When you wet your face, the next thing you have to do is get your exfoliating gloves and put them on. Okay? Exfoliating is very, very important in skin lightening. So you get your exfoliating gloves on. Now you can exfoliate using an exfoliating soap or your scrub, but today I'm showing you how to use your scrub. The same way you see me use the scrub in this video, that's how you can also use your exfoliating soap. So remember I said your face has to be wet first and then you apply your scrub. This is my whitening scrub. It's for face and body. You must take note, some scrub are for face only, while others are for face and body. So mind what you put on your face. Make sure whatever scrub you're using on your face is for face and body, okay? Now you apply your scrub on. You must avoid your eye area. Just go on your forehead, okay, like this. And then you massage gently in a circular motion. You exfoliate very well. You scrub your face very well in a circular motion. Now, if you are using your sugar scrub, it's the same pattern, it's the same way, okay? Just do this. Your neck, all over your body, depending on what you want. Now, if you have dark elbow, dark knee, dark knuckle, you also scrub those areas very well, okay? Your dark knuckles, if your knuckles are dark, you also apply your scrub there very well, okay, like this. Scrub it very well and leave it. I like to, okay, if you have dark knuckles, you scrub it very well. And then after applying your scrub, just allow it to sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you wash it off with lukewarm water. Okay, I hope it's that simple. Wet your skin first, apply your scrub all over your face and your body. Focus on your dark areas, your knee, your elbow, your knuckles, okay? And leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before you shower. So I'm going to leave this for 5 to 10 minutes, shower, and then come back to tell you the next step. So I'm back after washing off your face. Now, after using your exfoliating scrub, what do you do? What do you apply next? Do you apply a facial cleanser or a toner? Remember, each time we exfoliate our skin, the pH of our skin changes. So what you should do next is to follow on with a facial toner or your facial serum. So this is what I'll do next. I'm just going to apply my serum. You can use your serum on your face and your body oil on your body, okay? Do not use your cleanser after exfoliating, okay? Because your skin becomes very sensitive after exfoliating. Now you can do this 3 times a week or 2 times a week. So just do this 2 or 3 times a week, preferably in the evening, okay? Use your scrub in the evening, okay? And then that's it. You do this, you rub your product, lightening product, it's going to work well. You're going to see real results. It's going to work faster for you, especially for those who say they have stubborn skin. Actually, I don't believe there's anything like stubborn skin. It's just that maybe you've not been fortunate to use the right product on your skin. But if you're using the right product, you're going to see great results. If you need any of Timmy's Skin Glow product, our products are available. Chat us up via the number on the screen, or follow us on Facebook and Instagram and place your order. That's all about this. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.